When you first take a look at ClickFunnels and Kartra, there are some immediate similarities. Both were created by successful marketers as a solution to a gap in the industry, software that helps entrepreneurs. But that's where the similarities end. Because, while ClickFunnels is great at what their name suggests, sales funnels, they really aren't a platform to run your entire business on. They've neglected many important aspects of online marketing, such as customer service, video marketing, calendars, and analytics, all of which are crucial to success. Their most basic plan lacks some of the most important features for running a business, forcing users to either upgrade and pay hundreds of dollars a month for the full thing, or fork out dough elsewhere and set up tricky integrations. Oftentimes, users have to do both. If you're ready to get a solution that not only builds your sales campaigns, but does everything else you need to run your business, then look no further than Kartra. Plus, Kartra will not only save money on outside software, but it will cut down on your working hours and tech headaches that come from integrating different platforms that were never meant to mesh. Kartra is the best all-in-one marketing platform by far that makes it ridiculously easy to build and scale your online business fast. With tons of extra features at a more affordable price. It's no secret that video marketing is important to a business. After all, marketers who use video grow revenue 49% faster than non-video users. So why would you want to waste your budget on a platform that doesn't even host videos? With ClickFunnels, you'll need to purchase a third-party plugin, like Wistia or Vimeo, to even add a basic video to your page. Kartra, on the other hand, reliably hosts your videos with a customizable player, complete with advanced in-video actions so you can get more conversions, shares, and sales. You can add compelling CTAs and opt-in forms at any point while the video is playing, as well as automatically tags viewers based on their behavior. The #1 alternative to ClickFunnels. Get started today for just $1.